Welcome back to my channel. This is Darlarose. Hey babes, you guys know we're back in the bathroom again. So I want to do another hair video before, before I do something new to my hair. But I want to do like my half up, half down hairdo, guys. I really enjoy doing this hairdo, especially when I want something cute, like long hair but out of my face. So I like to use my wet brush, like a smoothing brush, and then a rat tail comb to do even parts. Also my water bottle, my Suave Max Hold hairspray, and then my Eco Style gel. And then we have our wand. Ooh, forgot it's hot. It's on. This is GVP. I think this is like a 1.5 inch or something. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's something like that. So we're gonna start first with doing our sectioning. We're gonna comb my hair back. This is actually like one of the reasons why I love having long hair. Doing this hairstyle is like my favorite hairstyle. We're just going to part. Usually when I have nails, I'll use my nails too. So I think that's honestly about even. Yeah, that looks about good, guys. So we're going to do this right here real quick. Put this in a ponytail. Just like in a little bun. And then what I like to do, guys, to not like get my hair like to not mess up like my sections, I like to get the hair that I'm not putting up and right here in a ponytail, just so when I grab it, it won't go where it's not supposed to go, where it doesn't belong. And then we'll get this. We'll wet this with water. A little bit more water. Just up right here. I don't like to get too much water above my roots, more or less, just because we are gonna curl our hair and I don't want it to get like fried or anything. And then we'll put some hairspray. You guys can use either or. I don't know why, I just like to use both. You guys can use hairspray or gel, either or. Completely up to you. And now we're gonna go in with our gel. It's about everywhere where it should be. Use a smoothing brush to smooth out anything you guys have going on. If you watched my previous video, I don't know why, guys, but I like my hair to be really tight. That's just me. You guys don't have to do your hair tight. I like it tight. And then we are just going to make sure everything's smooth. Go up close to the... So right there, I could get a little smoother. Make sure you guys are pretty close to the camera. If I look weird, it's because I'm looking straight into the mirror, not so much into the camera. But make sure you guys are looking at the mirror too. Okay, guys, so this is it. We have it nicely clean. You guys have two options. You guys can do your hair straight like this, which still looks really pretty, really beautiful. I like it straight. Sometimes I do it straight, sometimes I do it curly. Let's see. I think because I already have my curler on, I'm going to do it curly. But you guys could do it straight or curly, either or. You know what, guys? We'll do it straight. We're going to do it straight today. Okay, guys, so we got our straightener instead. Same brand, GVP. I know that's the same brand, but we're going to use this straightener. So we're just going to let it heat up. I also like to use my Tresemme Smooth Keratin hairspray to protect my hair. Make sure I don't burn it any more than it already is. Girls, can you guys see like how long my hair is? Like, it is so long. It really did grow. It grew long. We're just going to do right here our little baby hairs. Smooth it down, whatever has to be smooth. Wherever it has to get laid. I like to use a spoolie, guys, just because I feel like it grabs the hair better. I feel like it grabs the hair better and it just makes everything a little bit more smoother. So I personally use a little spoolie. And then I'm just gonna comb my hair. You guys could personally straighten your hair before this or curl it after. I like to just, I don't know. Usually when I curl my hair, I like to curl it after I do this. But when I straighten my hair, I like to straighten my hair before I put it up. So it just depends. Like I said, for me, when I curl my hair, I do this easier. And then when I straighten my hair, I straighten it before. Alright babes, we're just going to straighten the rest of our hair off camera and then we'll be right back. Alright babes, so we are done. Look at this, how quick it was. Like what, like 10 minutes? And look how smooth and shiny my hair looks, babes. Like, do you guys see that? Like how shiny and smooth? Like, yes, your girl got healthy hair and inches. I'm telling you guys, whenever I curl straighten my hair, I have to use this spray. It's so good. And honestly, it really does protect your hair like from everything. So anyways, this is how I do my little half up, half down hairdo. And when I curl my hair, what I usually do, babes, is I do like kind of like loose curls like really quick. This is where it gets like the little spiral look or the little like curl in it. And then I like to let it cool for like maybe like 5 minutes real quick. And then I'll get like my wet brush and I'll brush it through completely like that. Let me know, babes, do you guys want to see how I curl my hair, so how I get like the looser curls or like more like the bouncier hair? Let me know, right babes? Well, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching another hair tutorial. What do you guys think of these? Are you guys liking these a lot or not really? Let me know. But I love you, babes. Bye.